Good morning, Hampton Roads. Hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday over the last week. Wanted to give you a quick recap on what's happening in our market over the last month and how that compares to the same time last year. Over the last month, we've seen inventory steadily pulling back. Active listings dropped from the mid 4,200 range down to about 4,000 available homes for sale this week throughout Hampton Roads, okay? New listings also fell sharply from 493 down to 237, which is a big seasonal dip as we head into the end of the year and the Christmas holiday season. Pending contracts slowed as well, dropping from 387 down to 311, which is completely normal this time, late November for last week. Closings also cooled from 253 down to 207, and price reductions were cut almost in half, showing sellers are finally pricing homes more realistically as we head here into December. Of course, there's been less listings, less activity, so therefore less price reductions. Now let's look at a year ago from today, because this is where things get a bit interesting. Last year at the exact same time, we had 3,500 active of homes available for sale, and today we're sitting just a touch over 4,000, meaning we have more inventory now than we did a year ago, even though it still feels quite tight out on the ground. New listings last year, also 237, almost identical to this year. So that seasonal pullback, totally normal. It's exactly like it was in 2024. Under contracts last year were 251 compared to 311 this year, meaning buyers are actually a little bit more active now than they were last November, even with today's rates. And speaking of the rates, if you guys remember, last year we were nearing 8.5%, 9%, and today we're holding steady in the low 6% range, which is giving buyers much more stable runway to make decisions. Inventory is higher than it was last year, demand is holding steady, and the market is performing better than a lot of people have expected heading into this holiday season. The homes that look good, show well, and are priced right are still moving quickly, especially if it's paired with a professional who knows what they're doing, knows how to market the home, etc. And buyers, of course, are still out there shopping around. If you want this broken down for your neighborhood, places like East Beach, East Ocean View, Shore Drive, all around Great Neck, or anywhere in Hampton Roads, give me a call, 757-270-3994. Visit my website, 757king.com. And just a special note, we're going to be moving the video market updates to once a month. It'll be the first Monday of every single month, unless there's something real pertinent to update you guys with. We'll be doing them once a month. So we'll be recapping what happened for the whole month via video and comparing it to 1 year ago. That'll be our standard format. If anybody has any issues with that, of course, let me know. Y'all have a great day and a great week. I'll see you around town.